what will win in a drag race between a Rimac Nevera and a tuned Lamborghini Huracan? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. Because I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. Buy, sell, Carwow. So let me tell you about this Rimac Nevera. It has 4 electric motors, so you've got all-wheel drive. In fact, it's got torque vectoring across axles and all kinds of craziness. What's even more crazy though is the total system power output of 1,914 horsepower and 2,360 Newton meters of torque. However, it is quite heavy. It's got a large battery pack, 120 kilowatts. The result is that this car weighs in at around 2.3 tons. It's also rather expensive. It's about £2 million, this thing. Now, this particular car I'm sat in right here is a production version of the Rimac Nevera. However, they use it as their test vehicle, hence the racing seats and the electronics that are in the car. It's the same underneath though, you know, there's no advantage to this for the drag racing. Maybe even a disadvantage because it's a bit heavier because of the testing equipment. Anyway, let's find out about that Lamborghini from the chap who's driving it. It's Jürgen from JM Imports. Hello Jürgen, how are you?
Hi Matt, thanks for having us on the show, I'm good.
So Jürgen, tell me about the car you're in.
We are in a Lamborghini Huracan 5.2 litre GM 1800R conversion that we do at our shop.
Just quickly summarise the work that you've done and the results.
So this has got a fully built engine, fully built gearbox, they got turbos, Cyvex ECU, fuel system, drive shafts,
clutches, differentials.
1800 horsepower, 1500 Newton meters.
Wow. And obviously that is lighter than this car. I think the weight's, what, about 1600 with fluids?
Yeah, that's it, 1650 I think with fluids, that's correct.
Now if you want to compare the stats of the cars side by side, just quickly pause the video. Now before we go any further, if you're thinking about buying a car, you probably need to sell your current car, and you can do both the buying and the selling through Carwow. We'll help you choose the right car for you and make sure you get it for a fair price from one of our trusted dealers, but you can also sell your current car through us just by simply uploading some photos, giving a brief description, and then dealers all across the country will bid on your car. Pick the highest offer, they'll come to your house, take the car away. It's completely free and very easy. Now if you want to find out more about all of that process, click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link in the description below to go to Carwow. Alternatively, just wait till after this video and then simply Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you change your car. Now before we race, what we're going to do is the customary Carwow sound check. So I'm going to get Jürgen to rev up his Lambo.
Can I have a listen to what your exhaust sounds like? Can you rev it up?
Yeah, no problem.
That's pretty nice, that is.
Looking forward to listening to your noise.
Okay. That was off the limiter, by the way, and I think I've just ripped my throat apart with that.
Actually, Matt, when I heard the car before and it was coming down, yeah, it does actually sound quite nice, even though it's electric. But obviously, I don't know if you're going to
see that in the video.
I wish I'd thought of doing that instead of just like absolutely giving myself the worst ever sore throat. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get into the drag racing. Oh, it's close. No, I'm not pulling it now. You had a decent start by the look of it.
That was a good race, but not as quick as you, buddy.
I reckon you can be a bit quicker off the line. Would you like to have another try?
Let's go back and have another go.
I can run all day long. Well, until my battery runs out. It's not like a Tesla, it's not going to overheat. Whoa, come on, Rimac! It's close! Your reaction was better than mine then. That was a really good launch for you there, Jürgen. Do you know what though? That was so close. I wouldn't mind you just having one more go.
All right, Matt. I might have a little trick up my sleeve.
What is the trick?
Wait and see.
Okay. That's just stupid. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, here we go. Come on. That was a brilliant race. Your start, Jürgen, was on point. We were just level off the line. That couldn't have been better.
A good race, Matt, but just don't have the legs on you, mate. That car's rapid.
Still though, that is a lot less expensive, and it ran this thing close. Thing is though, this is just easy to drive. Like I could just poodle around and then go mental, and then just poodle around again. It's all very easy. Then mental. It's nuts, but also very serene at the same time. Love it. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Rimac won, completing the standing quarter mile in 8.5 seconds. The Lamborghini finished second. It took 8.7 seconds to do the quarter mile. Do you know what, Jürgen? Before we get into the other races, would you like to have a little go in this? Have a go at launching it?
Yeah, Matt, that would be superb if I could. I would appreciate that.
Jürgen, have you ever driven an electric car before?
I haven't, no, Matt. This is my first experience.
Good way to start with a £2 million hypercar. What a way to lose your cherry. I mean, you're used to tune cars, which can be temperamental, let's be honest about it. This is just so easy. All you have to do is check that you've got it in drive over there.
Yeah, it's on D, yeah.
Okay, left foot on the brake, full the throttle.
Yeah.
And then just release the brake. And keep going, keep going. Keep going for the quarter mile. And that's it.
Wow. It's like, it just hits you, doesn't it? That's just so easy. So I'm driving like 2,000 horsepower GTRs, and like you seen earlier, like cars are just, you're fighting the cars up the track, and this just feels so easy.
I'll tell you what, just drive along a bit, just go on, speed up a little bit.
Yeah.
Now floor it. And then back off.
Yeah.
And then you're coasting again, floor it.
Wow, you can actually feel your face pulling back.
Anyway, let's get on with the racing. Okay then, Jürgen, we're going to rolling race from 30 miles an hour. We'll race to the half mile. 3, 2, 1, go. Pickup was amazing on the Lamborghini.
Oh, come on!
But now here we go. Your car did really well there, Jürgen. The pickup that was impressive.
It was pretty good there, Matt, but it's still not as impressive as that Rimac.
Yeah, I was crossing the line around like 210, 220. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing again. This time though from 50 miles an hour, and Jürgen will be in third gear. 3, 2, 1, go. Now you see a bigger difference. That was good work again, but I think the gap was slightly larger this time, wasn't it?
For some reason, I think the Lambo seems to be better at a lower speed, and well, that car just picks up really well.
Do you know what? Just stay there a second, mate. It looks like you've been mowing grass with your car because there's a load of weeds in the front grille. It's really funny. Finally then, we're going to do a brake test from 100 miles an hour. Car that stops in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race with this Rimac, click on the pop-out banner up there or for a link in the description below. If not, stay here for the test of the brakings. I just saw the weeds in his grill just fall out at the very end. Jürgen, that was very close, but you won that. Are you happy?
I've won something, mate, so yeah, I'm happy.
Mind you, your car is quite a bit lighter than this.
Yeah, well, that's worth a lot more money.
And it costs a lot more money as well, that's true. Like, this was epic. I mean, this car, it's so easy to drive, yet so insanely fast. It's incredible what Rimac have achieved with this. So yeah, huge thanks to them for lending us this car. Huge thanks to Jürgen. Go check out his tuning stuff. There's a link all in the description. JM Imports, so go check them out. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know what I should drag race this car against next in the comments below. If you want to watch some more videos, click on those windows there. And if you click on that box there, you can actually go to carwow to compare this car's standing quarter mile time and that Lamborghini's against all the other cars we've drag raced in the carwow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching.